isa. Yung ato. Well, this is gonna fucking not make the move. Fuck off, Seth.
Atanahin mo.
Seth, can you not follow me?
This fucker's losing. He's dead. Take the thing. He's gonna revive his teammate.
I don't think he's smart enough.
Stingy. He's about to die. One more hit. Oh shit! Another one.
Ah, he's dead. He's dead still. Like, yep, he's dead.
Pinolymorph ka na lang eh.
He's fucking dead. Mali sila ako. Peter. Ang ina.
Bakit kasi yung makunat inaatake mo? Butik na yun si Draven, hinahabol ko na kanina pa.
Bro, might as well. You're killing the Draven anyway.
Kaya nga nalulugi siya sa akin somehow eh.
Can I even swap this? I can.
Baka laging nag-orange black tube. Ano?
What?
Ano? Alam mo na yun yun.
What have you done?
Hindi yung sinit nila. Grabe na gano'n. Orange and black. May YouTube.
Uy,
Uy.
may ano siya, may bomba.
Yeah.
Acid destruct.
Run! Bawag run! No!
Kunin ko soba. Nah, you're a moving son. I can move.
Bratuka, what the fuck is happening? Clan!
Oh shit!
Sige, ubusin lang natin! Kunin mo na agad! Fuck off!
Treme! I mean, if you kill me, you'd still die. Like, what the fuck? You know,
Nah,
I
he
know
wants
I
the
exposed
coins, brother. Wala silang coins, wala silang napatay.
Oh shit, yeah.
Ah, what the?
Ah, do I dare?
Ang ganda na
Demon
ito.
King's Crown? Ano ko mo?
After using an ability, reset your attack timer and gain attack speed for your next few attacks reduce your ability cooldown. Pero yung isa may shielding power.
I'm betting it all on this, Guru. Demon King's Crown. It's like hubris, right? Fucking I gain everything.
Agit. Ah, man. Turbo Chemtech nakuha ako, nag-roll ako.
Damn. That's kinda shit.
Yeah.
Tank them for me, Guru.
Come in, brother. Ah, nasa taas sila.
Taas.
Punta ka na dun sa kabila. Ako na lang. Oh. Salitan. Kakainin ka! Run!
Oh
Oh!
shit. Get Gwen, get Gwen. Ako na ako.
Huwag ka lumapit! May ano siya, may uso!
I kinda died in a bad spot, Kuro.
Yeah. Hindi ko lang bakit dyan ka pumasok.
I think we lose this.
Yeah, we lose this one.
Yeah, we lose
Come on,
this.
brother.
Just die. We lose now anyway. The fuck is happening here? What the hell? He's still
Wait,
alive!
gumagalaw yung ano!
Oh my god!
Gumagalaw yung Zaka!
Bro.
I'm gonna
Inso.
change my shit, brother.
Damn, we gotta keep winning, Kuro, though.
Yeah.
Pababa ng pababa yung stats ko.
Ilan ba item mo?
Dalawang
Stress.
dipindot ang protect.
Stress ng buhay ko.
Sinil mo yung ano mo?
Yeah, ang pangat eh. Ano lang yun eh.
Yeah.
Slow lang yun eh. Hindi naman ako tank eh. Damn, Ratatouille.
Get the rat, kung kaya. Oh, go.
No,
I can still
don't
hit you,
stay there. Par, nakatapa ka sa ano. Holy shit.
It's fine, I'm winning though. I was out damaging his ass. We should just go in, Kuro, to be honest.
Yes, okay.
Oh, he went in. That's a really stupid idea. I can move.
Fucked up, sir. Fucked up, son. Kunin
Go
mo na yung
up, go
dami.
up, go up. Rat.
Ah, shit. Go down. Fuck, no! I need to survive. Nah, you win this.
No, I kill him though.
Come on!
I'll just stand still, I'll kill him.
Holy. The attacks for additional time. What the hell? Okay, you telling me I have another one of my pet.
This is kinda good.
Ang pera, buisit.
Pag na-half health, the guys fucking deal like so much damage.
Ah, pag naka-half HP ka na.
Yeah.
Pag half HP.
Taka na, Kyle.
Touch it.
Send it to him.
Send it back.
What the fuck?
Wait, what?
What the fuck? Kunin mo ba?
Nasana sila kabala doon. Send it back.
Send
that
it
shit
back. Go, fight them.
What you doing, brother? Woo, brother! Fuck him up! Come on, brother! Fuck the Carl up. Nice!
Zack's dead. Bro.
Oh my god. Stand still, Bobor. I'm gonna heal you.
Nakataas sa top speed ko dahil dito.
Full item.
We're just there, just get things. Just roll that, fuck it. Oh my god, I got the one I need anyway. Oh my god.
I don't know. I'm full item, baby!
Oh my god, Kuro. I just like rolled. I got really lucky.
Oh my god.
I was gonna buy this anyway. I was gonna keep getting this.
Sir, sasakit ka naman te dahil ano, may ano ko mandate.
Oh, may Monday.
Oh, pag na-queue ko sila babagal, tas oh shit, manunod
we
tayo.
watch it.
Money! Free money!
Is it free money?
Hindi. Ano next
Ano
eh?
to, diba? Roll, stat.
Nangyari.
Full health pa tong ano, Gwen and Blitz.
Saan? Okay.
Yeah. Yung dalawang team. Full health pareho. Holy fuck. Ang delikado ng Gwen Guru.
Yeah. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo huwag ka lumapit dun kasi may smoke din siya.
Oh, shit. Parang nag-ano pa yun yung W.
Yeah. Immune sa range.
Finishing yun, eh.
Tapos pag lumapit may smoke. Value. Nasa labas si Jerry. Wala silang pag-asa.
Disconnect ko.
Then,
Yeah. He's dead. Na-stun.
tagal nung ano kabila. Holy, nakapapatayan sila sa labas.
Bro, yung Mai, panlaki na.
Yeah.
Buti may ganito ako.
Meron siya yung black hole par!
Black hole. Ah, what? Shit.
Pang zone.
Di nang wow. Di visage pa! Bro! Holy fuck.
Nanalo!
Tayo, region kaagad yan.
Details na lang. Ang gagawin ko sa pera, wala naman akong gagawin. Ano to? Next fight. Kalaban natin ay si Blitz at Zeri. Zeri lang, habulabulin mo. Magkano ba yung
I got Bloodthirst. Binenta ko yung tingi. Nakuha ko Bloodthirst.
Benta ko yung ano ko, gauntlet ko mamaya. Gagawin ko ng ano. Shirlea. Tatlo, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Ah, what up?
Reset. Itong mapa ay fuck.
Pangit ng mapa na to eh. Biglang
Well, at least set. Shit, nadala pa nila sa kanila.
Bermap.
Oh, is
Fuck. Ako pa inuuna nila, baliw. Oh my
Holy
god.
shit ko, bro! What the
Binato ko lahat ng shield eh. Wala silang... Na full HP lang ako eh. Di ba piso na lang ako?
Yeah.
Biglang full HP. Visit na yun.
Sila mo.
Ang ganito eh.
Ah, then. Baka pala shield
Ano?
ko. May blood test.
Tapos may ganito pa ako. Langarap sa Laris. Tapos naglapag kagad ako redemption eh. Tapos Genos do.
Bro, yung Gwen, how the fuck are we gonna kill this?
Ah, good luck na lang dun.
Oh shit,
Hindi ko
nanalo
alam.
yung set. Hindi, talo na yung ano, set Raven. Yeah, kain Dora labas. W. Bang! Patay!
Patay siya dyan.
Patay pa
Kasi
rin
max
siya din,
HP
ano.
yung ano, damage ng ano eh. Zone eh.
Yeah.
Sino kalaban? Uy, sila Twitch ulit.
Oh fuck.
Oh! Nah! Look!
Oh fuck. What do you got? I can't see it.
Oh,
Gray
fuck.
lang yung stream.
At nakikita mo sa ano.
Ah, what? Kuro.
Eh,
I can't move.
ayun.
Kita mo yung Q ko?
Nya?
It's like 2 seconds. Fucking
No.
fast as fuck now. I can spam this shit.
All for you,
It's like a
man.
fucking auto reset.
Extra
Oh my
percent ano. Shielding.
Rat, get the rat.
Ah, nandun sila. Sa bush. Okay, inside the bush.
Nasa bush.
Kunin mo na lang to. Oh, shit!
Get the rat. We're fucking going anywhere, rat.
Don't touch that shit! Nah! Bro! Wala silang damage kasi ano... Minaman dito. Holy fuck.
Tingi.
Yeah.
Yung
Nandito
tingi mo.
siya.
Oh, I need to see him.
Ito. Ganun ulit.
Oh.
Go! Full on damage. Revive.
Ah, shit. Ano? Rat's dead anyway.
Yeah. Tamaan? Diyan ka lang. Balong ka ba? Ba't ka dumikit?
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Ha? Alam mo namang ganyang
Bro,
kakapal
ang
yung
swerte
shield
ko
ko
sa...
eh.
Ang swerte ko sa yung tig 2K.
Kapal ng
Oo.
shield ko.
Yung tig 2K na lang binibili ko.
Mm.
Because it really doesn't matter what I get anyway.
4K?
For this day, to buy break.
Can we survive next round? We can survive next round. Ang bayan next round. No!
Hindi pairing next.
Shit. Bye bye. AP baby.
Oh no, we losing next round. We losing next round.
Bakit sila
The
na?
fucking Gwen and
Na! Full rush? Gwen? Kahit
Gwen
yakapin
ka,
mo,
pasuko.
I'll try.
Antay natin mag-W or some shit.
Sige.
Ano may electrocute and face rush? Kung inon mo yan.
Dami ko kasi pipindutin. Putang.
Sa taas sila.
Ito na lang ano mo.
Papasok ko na yun eh. Ah, fuck. Basta pa ako. Oh my god. I can't fucking move.
They did not damage. What the fuck?
Bro, I can't fucking move. The fucking Kench, man.
Come on, man.
I might be dead though. Yeah, I'm dead, Kuru.
Kill them.
Oh, they're dead. Hit the Kench! No!
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 Sir, di kumana yung ano.
Bro! Focus ka sa Kench, yung makagalaw.
Di ko rin mahabol yung ano eh.
Kaya nga sabi ko nag-focus na lang sa Kench. I can't fucking move.
Yeah. Ano ba?
Pero yung next, no?
Yeah.
Magkano ba bibigay?
Ayun yun, hindi ko naman.
250.
250 ba? Kaya yun,
2.5.
then benta ko yung boots ko.
Bebenta ko yung ano? Terminus. Bibili ako ng ano?
Sino ka lang?
Cosmatic.
Sila zero ulit. Just to be sure, bibili ako ng pots. Hindi pwede.
Na even if we lose, we still have HP.
Yeah.
Ba't may Bloodthirst tong Blitz? Na, AD Blitz. Ah, shit, Kuro. No, let me die.
You won't, brother.
Brother just fucking died. Holy shit.
Wala ka kasing HP, biglang full HP mo.
Bro. If you fucking hear like the tapping, that's
Yeah.
the A thing, you know. Yung ganyan, no? Taas attack speed ko. Sing natira. Ano yung Gwen?
Yung Gwen yung
Bro,
problema
how can we
natin
kill this?
eh.
Yeah.
Pag natama ka kasi nung ano eh. Kench eh, lugi
Kench,
eh.
wala na eh.
Anong, ang
Hindi ka
bilis
na
eh.
makagalaw eh.
Anong
Wag
attack
mo
speed
habulin
kasi
yung Gwen,
yan.
right?
Eh, hindi ka habulin.
Wag mo abulin. Just focus to
Try ko
Kench.
i-cancel yung Kench.
Tatakbo yung Gwen.
Kasi
Oh,
siya yung
panalo
damage
sila.
eh.
Holy shit, nanalo sila king.
Pakimorph.
I think.
Yeah, ano eh. Full
Yeah.
HP pa siya ano eh. Isak eh.
Zakta ka na finish mo so.
Yeah,
Holy fuck.
pag naka-skill
Baka yun
yan,
yung
full
problem.
HP yan eh.
Sir, baka yun yung maging problem.
Sinonahin ko. May ano ba? Tanggalin ko ba boots ko? I can't. Bawal yung boots.
Uh-oh. I have a thing for the Zac now. Maxel true damage. There's no like bro.
need this. Need to buy this.
Kuro, I can run down Zac.
Nice.
I've true
Oh,
damage,
shit.
max health. Side to tail, side to tail!
Shit! Bitch. Can't touch me, mother.
Di pa, kapel pa ako. Now, punta ko na kung kaya.
Oh, grabe yung Kyle!
Oh.
Bro, yung
Bro, side to
Kyle!
tail!
Ah.
Sabi na sila na may game problema.
Yeah, basic yung Kyle, par. Ah, fuck. Panood tayo. Nood tayo. Nood tayo. At least, ano tayo, second tayo. Rewatching them. Free money, oh. Kasi bagsak ka kasi daya eh. Lakas magano niya mag-heal eh. Oh, naka-visage pa siya kaya pala ng ano. I'm selling this thing later. We're playing it safe, man. Man.
I had to reroll my items just to fight these guys. Every items ko, look.
Wala na, may sludge fest na. Nag-umpisa na ang sludge fest.
Bro, the mo to, basahin mo yan, Dark Steel Talons.
Saan ba yan? Attacks with armor does true damage. Kaya pala na gano'n ano. No.
Win? Okay. Winnable.
At least sila hindi yung ano sobrang sakit na ano dude. Maganda ba kasi makukuha dito sa mga to? Wala naman akong mukhang maganda dyan. Ah! Should I Frozen Heart? Para hindi kanya ma-spam?
Probably.
Fuck it, I'm Frozen Heart. Full pots! Come on!
Wala ko pera pang pots. Pinalitan ko yung prismatic ko, ang shit ng isa.
Lulu, just go to put another hat.
Sludge fest this shit, we go in, we fuck it. We ball.
Ball. Ooh! Come on. Run!
Shit, I couldn't. Bro, sakit na ng Gwen. Wala, kasakit na nila. I don't think this is winnable anymore, Kuro. Pwede mo na i-revive. But I don't think you can even get to me.
Fuck, did you say? No!
Ah, kinain ka, yep. I'm still gonna die though. Yep. I can move, son.
I just got to...
Bro, kapal na HP nila masyado. Nag-tank win eh. Sakit pa rin ng puti. Aka! Bro! Just die. Yes, fuck it. Oh, there's no way in this. Bro, kaya pala ang sakit ng Gwen. May attack
Bakit?
speed
Yeah.
in death.
Brad.